For number 5, you're just using the graph to answer these questions about partitioning the line segment. So remember, the way that the letters are written matters. So we're partitioning A, B. We're starting at A, we want to end at B. So if I start at A, where would I land if I separate it into the ratio of 1/5? So think about it in terms of going to work. I'm at home, I've got to stop 1/5 of the way. So jump one time, and then that would leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections after that. So I landed at T. Okay, starting at A, if I jump 1, 2, that would leave me with 4 more jumps. Where did I land? L. So you can think of it as a journey or cutting a string into segments, however you want to think about it. This one tells me to jump 1, 2, 3, and then look, I would have 1, 2, 3 left before I get to my destination B. All right, 4, 2, same idea. This time if I jump 1, 2, 3, 4, that would put me at R, and 5, 1 would put me at B. Now this one is wanting you to pay attention now. Think about it as I'm at work, I'm on my way home. If I go 1/5 of the journey, that would put me at V. If I were to go 2/4 of the journey, that would put me at 1, 2, R. And you just continue in that same manner. 3, 3 would put me at N, 4, 2 at L, and then T. Now 5 is wanting you to use the formula. So the formula looks like this. It would be x1 plus a over a plus b, x2 minus x1. And then it's the same thing, comma, for a y. y1 plus a over a plus b, but y2 minus y1. So you're going to get a point. So given the points R and S, what should be the process for finding the coordinates of a point on the directed line segment RS? So before it didn't matter which one you labeled x1, y1, x2, y2, but here it does. Because R came first, that needs to be my x1 and y1. S would be x2, y2. And then in your ratio, the top numbers are A, bottom numbers are B. Now we're just subbing it into a formula. So for x1, I get 3 plus, my A is 3 over 3 plus 1. x2 is negative 10 minus 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and work that one out, just to make sure I remember that my final answer is a point. So 3 plus 3 over 3 plus 1, which is 4, negative 10 minus 3. So it's a point or decimal. That's okay. I'm going to change it into exactly a decimal so we could check it if we wanted to. So negative 6.75. Now we're going to do the same thing for y. So y1 is negative 5 plus 3 over 3 plus 1. My y2 is negative 9, and my y1 is negative 5. Type it in. Negative 5 plus 3 over 4, negative 9 minus a negative 5 is negative 8. And that's your answer. That's the point that would separate that line into a ratio of 3 to 1.